I start off by spraying this witch hazel mist on my face, which realistically does nothing under my makeup, but it feels productive. For foundation, I don't use much, but just enough to blur out any skin texture or redness that I have at the time. I apply concealer under my eyes, and on my eyelids is primer, and on the top part of my nose. I really like overusing blush, and I apply it on my cheekbones, on the tip of my nose, above my eyebrows, and on my chin. For my nose contour, I just use an eyeshadow palette, and I think that works just as fine as a contour palette would. And then I pat in some setting powder, specifically on the parts of my skin that are more prone to oiliness. In the video, I used purple on my eyes to match my hair, which I applied on the outside of my eyes and dragged it downwards towards the bottom. For glitter, I used this purple on the insides, and I also used it as highlighter on the tip of my nose and my cheekbones. I used white pencil on the inner corners of my eyes, and afterwards I used this really thick mascara on my lashes, which I think makes a huge difference in my biased opinion. I used that same eyeshadow I used for my eyes to draw my eyebrows. And this is a matte lip stain that I am using as a lip liner, but it lasts me all day. I have no complaints. On top of that, I'm gonna use one last time this eyeshadow. And then I seal it all in with whatever gloss I have on me at the time. And that's the look. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to do. And yeah, bye.